Hi friends, today on the eve of World Diabetics Day, I'd like to give you some simple tips regarding the lifestyle management of diabetes. First, lifestyle management regarding the meals, that is diet. So we are often face the problem of what type of food that diabetes can take and what to avoid. So first thing, be very careful about timing of the meals, not to skip any meals, and have at least meals at least four times a day, and maybe snacks in between even if you're hungry. So it should be three major meals and one or two snacks perhaps in between the meals. You should not keep more than 4 to 5 hours gap between the meals. It should be breakfast, lunch, and little evening snacks and dinner, and early dinner. So what are the food which is good for diabetics and what to avoid? The food which is good for the diabetics are the whole grains, green leafy vegetables, legumes, all sorts of vegetables. Even potato is not harmful in small quantity. So these are the things you should take. And even for the vegetarians, you can have milk in the form of any sorts of milk, that cottage cheese, curd. You can have some milk products. For non-veg, any egg, fish, chicken, you can have in moderate amounts. And of course, red meat, you have to keep it in small quantities. And regarding processed or packaged foods, these are things you should avoid. White sugar or refined sugar you should avoid. So what kind of sweet dishes or sweet products the diabetic patients can have? So these are basically the fruits. You can have fruits in moderate amount, and that fruit can be included in salad or in between meals as a snack in between meals. So it should be one small fruit at a time you can have. And also for other sweeteners, you can have a little bit of honey, little bit of jaggery. These are the things you can take. So what absolute avoidance are mainly the things made of maida, the bakery food, processed food, packaged food, salty snacks, ready to eat food. So what oil? You can use any oils. You can use mustard, olive, or any sorts of this sunflower oil. So this is you can use these are oils for diabetics. And quantity in moderation. You must not overeat. And so this thing is about diet. Now next comes exercise, very important. What type of exercise? Any sort of exercise, but you must do it daily and regularly. So you can walk, jog, run according to your capacity. Start with small periods of exercise, say 10 minutes, increase 15, 20, 30. So 40-45 minutes of moderate intensity exercise is good enough. Aerobics or running, walking, and yoga is also an exercise which is very good for diabetics. Breathing exercise. So my suggestion is to keep little bit of all sorts of exercise, and say 10 minutes of aerobic, 10 minutes of yoga, 10 minutes of breathing, like this, and you can make a schedule of 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you don't have much time, so 30 to 45 minutes, but do it daily and regularly. And this is about diet. And another important aspect is diabetic medications. So please do not skip medications. Do not skip the doses of medications, and take medications only by doctor's advice, not according to advice of the chemist, or someone of your known is taking the medicine, that particular medicine, and he or she is well controlled with that medicines, and you are also taking it without understanding anything about it. No, that's wrong. And another thing is that the medicines, you must be very aware of the medicines you are taking, the exact time, and before after food, and their side effects. It's very important. There are a lot of side effects, simple side effects, which we often doctors overlook, and you also don't ask. So these are the side effects. You must ask whether there is any side effects of medications which you must look for, so that you can be aware and avoid panic. Another thing is very important thing is, sometimes if you do not take our meals at proper times, the blood sugar can fall. Blood sugar can fall to become very low, and that is called hypoglycemia. So that is a thing we must look for and avoid it, and know the symptoms of hypoglycemia, those particularly low blood sugar, very low. So it can, even if we don't take proper precautionary measures, can get so low that you become unconscious and have to rush back to hospital and get yourself intravenous glucose, and then you are again back to consciousness. So this is a very important thing you must take care of. Hypoglycemic symptoms like sweating, trembling of the body, feeling of hunger, and you're feeling very, very bad from inside, and then often your speech is slurred speech. So these are things you must look for. If you have these symptoms in between meals, you must immediately take some little bit of glucose or some sweet, any sorts of sweet, any juice or something to avoid these attacks. So these are the things, the lifestyle management diabetics must be very careful of. And diabetic is in today's diabetes is manageable if you take your medicines properly, get good food and proper food, and exercise. Thank you.